How to recover your Roblox account quickly and easily. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover your Roblox account quickly and easily. First, open the Roblox app or go to the official Roblox website. On the login screen, tap Forgot Password or Username. Enter the email address or phone number linked to your Roblox account. Then tap Submit or Continue with the recovery process. Roblox will send you a password reset link or verification code. Open the email or message, follow the instructions, and create a new password. Now, return to Roblox and sign in using your username and new password. If you no longer have access to the email address or phone number connected to your account, you'll need to contact Roblox support. Provide your username and as much information as possible to help verify that you are the account owner. Avoid sharing your password, verification codes, or other account details with anyone claiming they can recover your account for you. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Roblox account and can sign in again. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful Roblox tips and tutorials.